Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you are new here we do lots of trading. I teach you how to work with specific indicators so you can implement this into your trading and get a profit. So if you want to support me, please subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video so it will help me to grow my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And if you forgot, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free, and if you want to be a part of this group, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram and I will add you to it. So I don't like to waste time, let's get started. So guys, today is the day off, that's why we are going to trade on OTC currency pairs. These are over-the-counter quotation, and these charts are generated by broker's platform, so we can use technical analysis and indicators as well. And in this trading today, we will use parabolic SAR indicator. I hope you remember about this. It will help us to determine price reversal points, and this indicator is already turned on. I left all the settings by default. I just increased the size, made the dots a little bigger, and as you can see, there are green dots at the top and bottom of the chart. I want to remind you what is the signal to open a deal. And the signal is the moment when, for example, dots begin to appear from the bottom of our graph. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move up. Also, when the points begin to form with the larger distance from each other, this situation says that there is a good, confident pre-directional movement. The same way when, for example, the dots begin to appear above the graph, this situation suggests that the movement will be down. Also, when the points directly begin to approach the candles themselves, this situation says that the points will begin to appear from the bottom of our chart. This is how this indicator works. It signals us about the pivot points and the trend change. But of course, do not forget that this indicator is just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. So first of all, we should conduct our technical analysis, then we pay attention on support level and resistance level, and then we confirm the signal of our indicators. So today we'll work for certain situations and patterns in the market and we will try to make money on them. So as a rule, these situations are similar to each other on the market, and of course you can see how I trade today and use the same strategy on your trading, and I'm sure you will get a profit. So let's start it. Here at the bottom we have a support level. We also see that after touching the level there was an upward pullback, and now the price is approaching our level again. Also, the main price highs are getting lower, and at the same time a couple of points have already appeared above the chart. So in this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to decrease, since the overall price potential is going down, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be broken through. 2 minutes also is a margin, take into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, the price really continued to move down and this level was broken, and we get a great confident profit. This indicator gave us a good entry point, not a bad start I think. So guys, let's search for another situation on the market. Here at the top we have resistance level. We also see that after the pullback the price has again approached our level. This is the second touch of this level in the last 10 minutes. Also, points are formed under the chart. In this situation, I'll open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. The price here also has a good potential for increase, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up and this level will be broken. So I think 2 minutes will be quite enough here, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, just look at this. There was a slight attenuation, the price fell into pro-trading zone, but still the closing point of our transaction turned out to be higher than the opening point, which means we get a profit. In any case, this level was broken and the indicator gave us a good entry point, so guys, let's continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that after the pullback, the price approaches our level again. Also, a couple of dots have already appeared under the graph. Well, in general, the price potential is also going up. In this situation, we open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. This is a similar situation with a higher probability that this level will also be broken through, since the price has an excellent potential to increase. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. This is amazing, guys. The price really broke through the resistance level and continued to move up, and we are making profit here. The indicator worked just fine, so let's continue, guys. Here we see that there was a downtrend. There is also a support level at the bottom. The price touched this level and there was a rollback. So after the rollback, the price moves down again and there is still space for the support level. Points are also formed above the graph, and let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to decrease. The price here also has an excellent potential for a decrease. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, and 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Quite good, guys. After a little pro trading, the downward movement continued and this level has been breached. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that there has been a pullback from the level and the price is approaching our level again. Also, a couple of dots are already appeared under the graph. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level because there is some kind of compression. And it is more likely that this level will be broken, well, or at least price will just continue to move up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. I definitely love this result, and the price really continued to move up and we made a profit. Although this level has not yet been broken, but we managed to work it out, and it was in the interval that 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's continue. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback and now the price is moving down again. The main price highs are getting lower, the price is moving towards the pro trading zone and is approaching the level. Also, the overall potential of the price is going down while a couple of dots have already appeared above the chart, and here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. The price will certainly continue to move towards the level, and it is also quite possible that it will be breached. Just at the moment we see that the good confident red candles are being formed, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, just look at this. I have managed to work on this interval again. The price really continued to move towards the level. There was also a pullback from the level, but in any case we made a profit. I think that's a good thing, and which means we can continue. So guys, let's search for another situation. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident and directional movement. There is also very little space left before the level. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to decrease. I think the price will continue to move towards the level and 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. The indicator also confirms our entry point. The dots begin to form with the larger distance from each other, and this means that there is a confident and directional movement. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough here, even taking into account the possible rollback. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, look at this situation. First of all, we are making profit here, but perhaps in this situation 1 minute would be enough for us. The price moves quite impulsively. After touching the level, there was a logical pullback up, and in any case, we closed it in time. That's why we made a profit. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. It is possible that there will be some kind of pro trading, and it is also possible that this level will be broken through. But I just think that we continue and search for another entry point. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a downward movement. Several dots have already appeared above the graph, and here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to decrease. There is very little space left before the support level. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough. Also, this level is internal, which means that it's not particularly resistant, and it is more likely that this level will be broken, even into taking into account a possible pro trade or an upward pullback. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's super great, and the price really continued to move down, and this level was broken and we made the profit. 1 minute was enough for us here, and as you can see, the price continued to move towards the main support level, which is slightly lower. And as I said, the inner level was really easily broken through. Everything is going well, so guys, let's continue. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also resistance level here. After touching the level, there was a pullback and the price is approaching our level again. There is a kind of compression, and this is the second touch of this level in the last 5 minutes, and a couple of dots have already appeared under the chart. We will open a deal here for 2 minutes to increase. The price has an excellent potential to increase. I think that this level will be broken in the near future, so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Amazing result, guys. The price really continued to move up and this level was broken and we are making profit here. These situations were just fine as I want, and let's continue, guys. We have a level of support down here. We also see that there was a good confident downtrend here, and after touching the level there was a rollback, and after the rollback the price is again approaching our level. Also, the main price highs are getting lower. The price has a good potential for a decline, and in this situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. The indicator also confirms our entry point, which is good, and a green dot has already appeared above the graph. And I think in the near future this level will be broken, and that's why 2 minutes here will be quite enough, even taking into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Love it, love it. After a little pro trade, the level was broken and we made a profit. I have already $5,500 on deposit, and I suggest opening a last deal for today. Now I'll find some situation on the market and we will continue. Also have a support level down here. We also see that after the pullback the price is now confidently approaching our level. Also, the main price highs are getting lower and several dots also appear above the graph, and in this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. The price here also has a good potential for decline, and I think that this level will be broken in the near future. 2 minutes also is a margin taking into account the possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. I like this result, guys, and it's our last deal for today. So after a little pro trade and downward move continued, this level was still broken through and we made a profit. I already have $7,000 on deposit, so I propose to end this because I fulfilled my plan for today. I finish my trading and leave the market. All the market situations worked out perfectly themselves, and this indicator helped us to determine the further price movements and reversal points. So this strategy works perfectly on regular currency pairs and OTC currency pairs. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, because I told you so many tips how you can work with parabolic SAR indicator, so you can just implement it on your trading and get the great result. And if you didn't put the big thumbs up to this video yet, please do it right now. Subscribe to this channel. And I also have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. It's a closed group with limited amount of people, so there are only special people over there. And if you want to join this group, please text me a code word signal on my Telegram and I will add you to it. The Telegram link will be in the description box. So guys, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.